You know, what stops you, what bottles you is your problems. And you know, everybody else have the same problems. Slightly different problem. And people say, I want to talk to you, Guruji, alone. I said, there's no need. In the ashram, I kept 5 baskets. I know what the problem. Either the problem is about relationship, 1 basket. Job or finance, another basket. Health and health-related problem, 3rd basket. And miscellaneous, 4th one. Huh? 5th big worries about the society, about whatever country, about the nation, about world, environment, all these problems, you know. Put in that. Or any complaints about me. Can put it in that. Guruji, you never meet with me, you never spend time. Too many people, I don't get time, I don't get to do this, you don't let me allow this, etc., etc., whatever. You don't give me personal attention. Oh, put all that thing there. 5 baskets, all the problem. There's nothing. And I have my own ways to reply to them all. Life is too short to keep solving problem one after another, I tell you. Just wake up and walk ahead. Problems will get solved by themselves. You're not alone, my dear. Wake up. You're not alone. All the problems are getting solved. And there is some power with you, who's walking you through all the problems. And when you feel that intense desire to offer, to write it down, put it, give it, send it, do anything. Huh? I'd say a teacher is a garbage collector. He won't say, oh, this is yesterday's garbage, this is the 3rd day's garbage. No, why do you give me? No, no question. Any amount of garbage you can. You know, the person who comes to collect garbage in front of your homes, they don't say you, they don't quantify you. You can only give only 2 kgs of garbage. I won't take any more. You'll be in trouble. Unlimited quantity of garbage, dump it. And we have hesitation even to do that. This is irony. This is the irony. That we have hesitation to drop a garbage. Are you all here? See, I have no shame, I tell you. Nor am I shy. I just say whatever comes here. If you take it, take it. If you don't want to take it, just drop it along with the garbage. Give it back to me, no problem. But don't sit just like lifeless statue. Yeah? You know, that's why it's called satsang. Satsang means, you know what? Where you can just drop all what people would think about me sort of things and authentically be there. 100% authentic company, the company of the truth.